Meet citizens from across the Lego galaxy.
Hello.
Travelers, welcome to Spaceport. Check out the action. And on that side, that's where they'll have side. Okay.
Control tower here.
With all the gravity accidents today, hope you don't mind me keeping my helmet on. Come in, cadets. That's it. Your mission briefing is about to begin with Explorer Captain Nova O'Reilly. Mission briefing starting in 3, 2, 1.
Listen up, cadets. We need your help. A giant space rock is zooming towards us. It's the asteroid of probable destruction. We've tried zapping the asteroid with a giant laser. We've tried catching it with a giant net. But both ingenious plans have mysteriously failed. Over to the man with Plan C. It's our chief engineer, Biff Dibber.
Hey, cadets. The C stands for cadet, because Plan C depends on you. The plan is to break up the asteroid by harnessing the most destructive force in the galaxy. Separate. These guys just can't help breaking things apart, so let's turn their mesh into a force for good. We need the cadets to move a swarm of separators to the asteroid. Over to Commander Olivia, who is at the time zone.
We've located large swarms of separators in space sectors Alpha, Beta, and Charlie. Couldn't get too close. There are more than ever and are likely to separate anything that crosses their path. Johns is telling you to be careful. He's right. You'll need to locate these separator swarms in your spaceships. You have told them that bit, haven't you, Biff?
Just getting it. Okay, cadets. First, you need to customize the spacecraft so awesome that it grabs the separator's attention like nothing else. You'll need to make your spacecraft speedy, too, because as soon as the separators come for you, it's time to go, go, go! Before they can separate you, too.
Check me out! My driving skills just fizzled out! Hey, teammates! Trick me there with the hot tip! We're all doing this mission in cruise support. Might be you don't have all your crewmates yet, but let's dive into building together!
Cadets, time is running as new. Just remember the 3 S's. 1. Spacecraft. Customize it. Climb aboard. 2. Separators. Locate them. Lead them to the asteroid. 3. Safe return. Watch out for wormholes and debris. Get back safe. Got that? Great! Come on, let's go!
All cadets to the engineering bay. Let's get mission ready.
Have a good mission, guys. All right. Alrighty, cadets. The number you are standing on will be the number you will go to in the build room. It is very important that you take note, once again, of the number that you are standing on. Here in a bit, I'm going to load you guys in 3, 2, 1. Go on in, cadets.
You're going to use the key at the very end, okay? Jeff is going to walk you through the process, build an awesome spaceship. Cadets, have fun.
Biff Dipper here, Chief Engineer. Come in, cadets. Do you read me? As the asteroid of probable destruction is zooming closer to spaceport, it's messing with my signal. I'm sending over blueprints for the basic spacecraft I designed for your mission. Your task is to customize my basic design and then ride it into space, okay? Work together and follow my instructions. Let's hope this signal holds. First, pick the coolest nose design for your spacecraft. To swap it, tap another nose. To keep it, do nothing. Simply stand back and wait for my next instruction. Pick quickly. Whichever nose is on your spacecraft when the timer runs out is the one we'll keep. Time's up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, cadets. You picked your first bricks. Now pick the wings. Which design will give you the speed you need? Remember, you need wings to zoom away from the separators so they don't catch up with you and do what separators do best. Make your pick in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great wings, cadets! Pressing on. It's time to pick your spacecraft's tail. Tap the screen to try them out. Try different ones. It doesn't have to be right the first time. Pick quickly. It's nearly time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's just time for one quick final choice. Pick something extra that will really grab the separator's attention. This means they'll chase you to the asteroid. Hurry now. Time's up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing teamwork, cadets! You did it! Wow! That looks awesome, Rocketeers! Fast and stylish! Quickly, tap your spacecraft key on the reader and it'll upload your design to the loading bay so you can go for launch! Cadets, Biff Dipper, over and out!
Caboodle, here we go.
I haven't seen her.
guys. I want that.